Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Eyes Passion. So hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive collections, really very exclusive ones. So let me display. And this one, very beautiful one. Elegant looks, pure handloom, pure gicha silk with beautiful digital printed one, very exclusive one. Same material today I have draped digital printed one, pure gicha silk with digital print. Very nice looks, lightweight, comfortable, pure handloom gicha silk with golden zari highlighted border, and full base part is beautiful digital printed one, and very soft, comfortable, lightweight, smart looks. This one pallu portions highlighted golden zari stripes with beautiful digital printed pallu, and this one full base part, very nice fresh looks, fully digital printed one, very soft one, summer friendly. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric heavy weaving work, brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, trendy and elegant looks. Pure handloom, pure gicha silk with digital print. And this one very bright one and bright color combination, semi georgette base with beautiful weaving Banarasi work, and silver zari weaving Banarasi work border, and full base part is beautiful fine weaving butta design by silver zari weaving butta, and this one border portions fully fine silver zari weaving border design, and this one is pallu portions highlighted silver zari heavy weaving Banarasi weaving design work pallu by silver zari, and this one fully brocade weaving running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very trendy and fresh looks with beautiful weaving butta design highlighted silver zari border. And I will suggest this silk material heavy weaving Banarasi butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one same material, same pattern, different color combination, semi georgette base with beautiful silver zari fine weaving Banarasi work border, and all over butta design, very nice looks and very nice color combinations. This one border portions fully fine silver zari heavy weaving Banarasi work border, and this one pallu portions fully silver zari fine weaving design work pallu. Sorry, and this one fully brocade weaving running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, beautiful weaving butta design, very smart and elegant looks, all over base part fine weaving butta design, and this one is highlighted border, very trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart fresh looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. So very elegant looks, premium quality, pure handloom silk clean Banarasi work and embroidery design, very nice combinations, fully weaving Banarasi work with embroidery design combined work, very nice looks, premium quality, pure handloom silk clean base, white base, contrast yellow border with fine silver zari heavy Banarasi weaving work, highlighted Banarasi weaving border design, and full base part is beautiful embroidery floral butta, very nice looks, weaving and embroidery combined design, fully designer piece, very nice fresh looks. This one is full base part, fully embroidery work with silver zari Banarasi weaving border and pallu. This one pallu portions fully silver zari contrast color dye with fine silver zari weaving Banarasi work pallu, and all over base part embroidery butta design, very nice looks. And this one running blouse piece, and this one is pallu, and this one is full base part white base, very trendy and exclusive looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding looks. A very beautiful one, silk rayon material with beautiful color combinations, purple with the parrot green combined work. This one full base part, beautiful one, purple shade, golden zari border, premium. Full base part is plain, premium quality pure handloom silk lane with golden zari highlighted border, and this one is running blouse piece. And this one pallu portions, fine parrot green shade with fine golden zari heavy weaving design, highlighted pallu, contrast color dye with parrot green dye with beautiful golden zari fine weaving pallu design. And this one is full base part, very nice and gorgeous bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one same material, beautiful color combinations. Let me open, with beautiful fine embroidery work, beautiful looks. This one is golden zari border, handloom silk lane material, and this one pallu end, highlighted golden zari fine stripes pattern pallu, and all over base part is fine embroidery work. This portion is white base, and this one this one is full base part, beautiful fine embroidery work. This one is beautiful embroidery design, very trendy and fresh looks, and half portion is red shaded. And this one is running blouse piece, half portion is red and half portion is fully white base with fine embroidery work, very elegant fresh looks. And silk lane material, pure handloom silk lane. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one very beautiful one and elegant, obviously pure handloom gicha silk, golden zari border, and all over base part is digital printed one, same material to have drape, digital printed one. This one full base part, very nice elegant looks, pure handloom gicha silk with digital print. This one is golden zari contrast red border, and this one pallu portions, highlighted golden zari fine stripes with beautiful all over digital printed design. And this one is full base part, very nice fresh looks, pure handloom gicha silk. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is all over base part, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart and elegant looks. Very beautiful one, very nice looks, fully digital printed one, Tasar Ari silk with fine weaving border design, and all over base part is beautiful digital printed one, very smart looks, fully fine printed one with fine weaving border design, and very soft comfortable feather like soft, very nice trendy looks, pure silk. And this one pallu portions, highlighted stripes with beautiful printed pallu, and all over base part is beautiful nice printed one and soft comfortable smart fresh looks. This one is beautiful digital printed border, this one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy and fresh looks. This one very beautiful one, orange shade, and same material, Tasar Ari silk, highlighted fine weaving border design, all over base part is beautiful digital printed one, very smart and beautiful looks. This one full base part, nice color combinations, and this one is border portions, fully fine golden zari weaving design, stripes pattern weaving design, fine weaving design border, and all over base part is beautiful digital printed one, soft comfortable Tasar Ari silk. And this one pallu portions, highlight stripes with beautiful printed, and this one full base part, very nice fresh looks, beautiful printed one, all over base, very nice one, comfortable. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. A very beautiful one, Reshmi tissue silk with beautiful Banarasi weaving work, very nice color combinations, big gorgeous looks, based for your function wear, party wear, very nice one. Have sign also, Reshmi tissue silk Banarasi. This one, you know, border portions beautiful soft Reshmi zari weaving border, and full base part is beautiful Banarasi weaving butta design, and this one is pallu portions, very nice elegant color combinations. This one is fully Reshmi zari weaving Banarasi work, soft one with beautiful pom-pom design, and this one, you know, full base part, very nice looks, Reshmi tissue silk Banarasi, very nice one. This one is fully heavy worked border. This one is running blouse piece, fully brocade work, and this one is all over base part butta design, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks, gorgeous and exclusive looks. And this one, you know, same material, same pattern, different color combinations, very nice color combinations, you know, Reshmi tissue silk with fine Reshmi zari weaving Banarasi work, very exclusive one, and elegant color combinations also. This one is full base part, beautiful fine weaving Banarasi work, butta design and border, very nice looks, premium quality, pure handloom Reshmi tissue silk Banarasi. And this one is, you know, pallu portions, fully fine Reshmi zari weaving Banarasi work, very soft one. This one is beautiful pom-pom, and this one is full base part, very nice and elegant looks, gorgeous. Obviously have sign also, based for your party wear, function wear. This one is, you know, and this one is fully brocade work, running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very trendy one. And this is the silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. The same material, nice color combinations, Reshmi tissue silk Banarasi, very elegant looks, heavy work, fully fine Banarasi weaving, heavy worked border and butta design all over base, and very nice color combinations. Have sign also, premium quality, pure handloom Reshmi tissue silk Banarasi. This one is fine weaving Banarasi work border, and all over base part is fine weaving butta design, and this one, you know, pallu portions, heavy Reshmi zari weaving Banarasi work pallu, and beautiful pom-pom design, very exclusive one, and very nice color combinations. This one is full base part, heavy worked border and butta design, very nice one. This one is running brocade work, contrast brocade work, running blouse piece, and this one is all over base part, very trendy and elegant, gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart gorgeous looks. And this one, you know, very beautiful one, organza silk base digital printed one with traditional Banarasi weaving border design, very exclusive combinations, you know. This one is full base part, very beautiful one, organza silk fully digital printed one with fine weaving Banarasi work border, and full base part is beautiful digital printed one, organza silk. And this one is contrast color, fully heavy weaving design work pallu, beautiful pom-pom design with heavy worked pallu, and this one is running blouse piece, work running blouse piece, and this one, you know, full base part, very nice looks. This one is full base part, beautiful digital printed one all over base and this one is traditional Banarasi weaving border design. This one is beautiful fine weaving border work, traditional Banarasi border, and base part is digital printed one, fashionable and traditional looks, very exclusive one. This one is full base but lightweight, comfortable, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this one for your exclusive looks. In a same material, digital printed one, organza silk Banarasi border, very exclusive, traditional and fashionable looks, very beautiful color combinations also. This one, full base part, beautiful digital printed one organza silk with highlighted weaving Banarasi border and pallu. This portion is pallu portion's contrast color with fine weaving design work, pallu with beautiful pom-pom design, and this one full base part beautiful digital printed one, traditional Banarasi weaving contrast color border, very exclusive one, and this one is all over base part beautiful digital printed one, and this one beautiful running blouse piece fully bouquet work, printed with bouquet work running blouse piece, and this one is all over base part, very soft, lightweight, comfortable, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, traditional, and fashionable looks. And today I have taken a beautiful elegant saree, pure Gicha silk with digital printed one, very nice color combinations, fully floral pattern, digital printed one, premium quality Gicha silk, and this one pallu portions beautiful digital printed one, all over base part same digital printed one, very exclusive one, soft, comfortable, premium quality Gicha silk, pure handloom, beautiful saree, beautiful earrings. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.